2025, ladies and gentlemen. You know, this year just keeps outdoing itself. I said before, last year, 2024, was insane. And the start of this year had been crazy. And it's still going, man. It's still going. You had it was like all the planes. Now this. And you had the fires. It says Camp Mystic campers, counselors among over 80 that were, the K word, in Texas floods. I don't know if that number is higher. This video is 8 hours ago, but it's just crazy to me, man. Like, I was like, Texas flood, like, what are they talking about? And you see like all these videos, man. This is crazy. Wow. As I said, man, one day you can just be chilling, minding your business, and the next day, just chaos. We ain't gonna waste no more time. Let's jump right into it.
Search is growing more urgent in Texas, where dozens remain missing after catastrophic flooding. At least 82 people have been killed. And with more rain in the forecast today, the threat of more flooding is going up. So is the heartbreak. ABC's Allison Cossack on the human toll.
We're learning more about the victims of the flood disaster and the survivors trying to come to terms with what they witnessed.
I had to swim through a window and then hold on to the meter box outside of the house.
28-year-old Christian Fell says he stood on the electric meter box outside his home for nearly 3 hours to stay alive.
It was an absolute force of nature that I've never witnessed before.
Amanda Sue Jones, her husband, and 4 kids evacuated moments before the worst of the flooding hit.
From the time we crossed the bridge to when everything's getting swept away was, probably 10 minutes.
What? You have the earthquakes, you have fires, flood. Like, I'm just imagining like water, like you just sitting in the house and then water, man. Because you have those countries where like the tsunamis come and stuff like that, hurricanes, twist, all that stuff, man. But like, that man said he stood, I don't even know if that was safe. Standing there like you just trying to survive, and he done went on an electrical box. Man.
Evacuated moments before the worst of the flooding hit.
From the time we crossed the bridge to when everything's getting swept away was, probably 10 minutes.
27-year-old Julian Ryan died heroically, saving his kids by placing them on a floating mattress.
Damn.
Beloved high school teacher Jeff Wilson, who taught auto body repair, also lost his life in the flood. His wife and son are missing.
He was able to build relationships with kids, maybe kids that didn't fit the traditional classroom model.
And at Camp Mystic, where more than 2 dozen campers were swept away in the night, at least 11 are confirmed dead. Among them, Janie Hunt, the 9-year-old cousin of Kansas City Chiefs owner Clark Hunt. His wife announcing Janie's death, saying, "If your heart is broken, I assure you God is near." 18-year-old camp counselor Chloe Childress is being remembered for her work with senior citizens. The head of her high school saying, "Chloe made space for others to feel safe, valued, and brave." Those who knew Camp Mystic's owner, Dick Eastland, say he died heroically, trying to rescue campers. His grandson writing, "If he wasn't going to die of natural causes, this was the only other way, saving the girls that he so loved and cared for."
He was, a man that made everyone feel safe and seen. He was just an extremely selfless person, and he showed that until the very end.
Allison Cossack, ABC News, New York.
And stay with Eyewitness News for any new developments related to the Texas flooding, especially as search and rescue efforts continue. We'll bring you the latest on the air, online, and wherever you stream Eyewitness News.
Man, it was a video. I forgot what they said, but like a video of the water, like how high the water went. Like some lady was like, the water went all the way up the hill. 11 missing. So an hour ago, it says it's up to 90 now, from 82 to 90. Man, I don't know, dude. Like when I see stuff like this, and you think about like, especially all the kids, man, it has to be one of the scariest feelings to just feel like trapped. When you can't even like let me see, hold on 1 second here, because I think there was 1 second. Let me just see here. I think this is a video of
There's people in it. Oh my God, there's so many people in it.
Like look at that, man. Like it's being swept away. That is insane, man. It's like like something you see in the movie. That is wild, dude. Like,
please tell me you're getting this on video. Yeah,
like it don't look real. You cannot tell me this don't seem like a damn movie, man. Especially with them singing like that. This is it is literally like, what is next? What else is going to happen, man? Damn.
I want my world to know the Lord of love has come to me. I want to pass it on. I'll shout it from the mountaintops. Praise God. I want my world to know the Lord of love has come to me. I want to pass it on.
this is extremely sad. I just feel like, man, like water. It's crazy. Like we had those fires, the Palisades fires, and now you got the Texas floods. Oh, I don't even know what to say, man. Life be lifing. Jeez. Hey, appreciate y'all coming over. I just saw this. It was on my mind, and I wanted to make a video on it because I was just like, it's a lot of stuff that be going on in the world. Hug your loved ones. All right. Peace out.